Okay, class, sorry, I got cut off. So this is the text. If you don't want to listen to me, kalau kamu tak mau dengar cikgu, you want to try to do it yourself. Okay, before I explain this part, okay, I will give. If you don't want to listen to my explanation, I will give you the audio in your group. Okay, ada audio nanti cikgu kasih. Kamu boleh tekan audio itu, lepas tu kamu buat sendiri. Kamu tak payah dengar cikgu punya explanation in this part of the video. Tapi listen first. What do you need to do? Apa yang kamu perlu buat? Okay, so basically what you need to do is sorry, what you need to do is this one. Okay, do this part by yourself and then check the this one will not be on Google Form, no, but this one you have to do this part on Google Form, whether it's true or false. Okay, kalau kamu tak mau dengar my explanation after this, you can pause the video now and then press the other audio that I have already uploaded in your group. Okay, and answer these 5 questions will be on a Google Form, and these other 5 questions are on whether the sentences are true or false. Answer all of this on Google Form. Okay, if you don't want, you want to do it yourself, you can stop the video now. Okay, yang mau ikut kamu dengar cikgu baca dan cikgu jelaskan. Okay, so let's start. If you turn a glass of water upside down, what happens? Kalau kamu terbalikkan itu gelas, terbalikkan upside down ialah turn, upside down ialah terbalikkan. Apa akan jadi? Okay, so ada 2 orang bercakap di sini, Mr. Marston and Simon. I believe Mr. Marston is the teacher, ya. Simon say it goes all over the floor. Okay, dia akan tumpah air tu dalam. Okay, all over the floor, apa yang di semua lantai, air lah, itu maksud dia, air tumpah. Okay, that's right, thank you Simon. And why does it go all over the floor? Kenapa dia penuhi tanah, lantai? Air lah, merujuk kepada air. Okay, so what did Ruby say? Oh, there's another person. There's a few people here. Because water is heavier than air. Kenapa air tumpah? Kalau kamu terbalikkan gelas tu, kerana air lebih berat daripada udara. Okay, because water is heavier than air. Okay, so the teacher says exactly, and gravity, kerana gravity and that I explained just now, makes the water fall. But that doesn't always happen. Ya, kerana gravity lah air tumpah. But that doesn't always happen. Bukan selalu dia berlaku begitu. Here's a glass. Okay, tengok sini. Sini ada satu gelas. Tom, can you fill it with water from the jug for me? Kamu boleh kamu isi air daripada jug itu? Then Tom say, yes, Mr. Morrison, here you are. Okay, nah, here you are tu, nah, inilah, nah, ini, itu maksud dia. Okay, dia sudah isi, lepas dia cakap, nah cikgu ini. Yang nah itu bermaksud here you are. Okay, so cikgu tu cakap, thank you Tom. So we have the jug and the glass. The only other equipment I need is this piece of cupboard. Okay, kita sudah ada jug, kita sudah ada glass tu dengan air. Apa lagi saya perlu? Equipment, alatan yang saya perlukan yang lagi ialah this piece of cardboard. Dia mau cardboard. Kau tahu apa tu cardboard kah? Yang kotak itu dikira sebagai cardboard. Dia punya material batu, dia punya bahan tu dikira inilah cardboard. Bahan ni dipanggil cardboard. Okay, now where am I? Now I'm going to put this cardboard on top of the glass of water and turn it upside down. Saya akan letak cardboard ini di atas gelas ini dan saya akan terbalikkan dia. But none of the water will go on the floor. Tiada air akan tumpah ke lantai. Do you believe me? Kamu percayakah? So, pelajar, the students all say, no, we don't believe you. Okay, teacher? By the way, the correct way is not to call me teacher Sunita. You either call me teacher sahaja or you call me Miss Sunita. Actually, calling a person by teacher Sunita tidak betul sebenarnya. Tapi di Malaysia kita faham lah. Tapi in English, actually, to call teacher together with the name salah, ya. It's either Miss Sunita or Mrs. Sunita. Cikgu Miss lah, cikgu belum kahwin kan. Or kamu panggil cikgu teacher sahaja, jangan tambah nama cikgu. Okay, that's the correct way. So, Mr. Marston, okay, watch. Now, this is difficult a bit. Ini susah sikit. When I put the cardboard on top of the glass, I have to make sure no air gets in. Apabila saya letak cardboard tu di atas itu punya glass itu, I have to make sure pastikan no air, tiada udara gets in, masuk ke dalam. If there is any air bubbles in the water, it won't work. Kalau ada bubbles yang ada udara lah dari luar, dia tidak akan jadi. Dia punya trick ini, okay? Right, I think that's okay. Now watch, tengok. Look, I've taken my hand away. Saya tidak sentuh sudah benda itu. Itu maksudnya, take my hand away, maksudnya kamu tidak sentuh lagi benda itu. And the water has stayed, okay? Air itu tinggal di dalam gelas itu, dia tidak tumpah. Amazing, isn't it? Great, good kan? Macam wow, begitu. So then, okay. Okay, so can anyone explain what happened? Why that happened? Ada orang boleh jelaskan kenapa air itu tidak tertumpah? Biarpun saya tidak sentuh, dia tidak tahan itu cardboard sudah. Why didn't the water go all over the field? Kenapa air itu tidak tumpah di atas kaki saya? I'll give you a clue. Saya kasih kamu hint sikit ya. It has to do, ini ialah bukan it is ya, it has ya. It has to do with air pressure. Ada kaitan dengan tekanan udara. Yes, Emily. Okay, Emily bertanya soalan saya rasa. Well, that's because there was no air inside the glass. Okay, kerana tiada udara di dalam gelas tu. The air pressure from outside dan tekanan udara dari luar and di luar gelas itu was greater than the pressure of the water inside the glass. Tekanan udara di luar gelas itu lebih kuat daripada tekanan air di dalam itu. That's why the water stayed where it was. Itulah itu air tidak tumpah. Okay, dia tahan dia. Udara dari luar yang kuat itu menahan air itu daripada tumpah. Excellent, well done Emily. Okay, kenapa ni? Cikgu nak kecilkan sikit. Tak boleh kecilkan. Benda ini menyusahkan. Let me read from here. That's why, exactly. Well done, Emily. You are good. Did you all get that? The reason why the water stay in the glass was because, kerana of air pressure. Okay. So, you have already listened to my explanation. Kamu sudah dengar penerangan cikgu. So, what you need to do right now is to complete this. This one I need to do lah, Senang saja. What is the steps in order? Pertama, you have to fill in water, right? Fill in the water from a jug into the glass. Oh, no. What is the first step? The first step is point number C. You need a glass with water. You need a jug and you need a cupboard. Cupboard. Okay, you can look it up. Cupboard. Okay. And then you need to pour the water into the glass. And then you place, this is number 1, right? This is number 2. And then you place the cupboard on top of the glass. And then you do it like this. This is number 4. You terbalikkan, you turn it upside down, terbalikkan. And then you remove your hand. Lastly, kamu alihkan tangan kamu. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the sequence of the experiment, yeah? The steps in order. So now there are 5 questions. So question 1 until 5. Okay, you have to identify whether it is true or false. Berdasarkan the text that we have just read, that I have just read, and you have listened to just now. Okay, so that's all for today's class.